Cajun butter shrimp boil. The word delicious does not do this justice. The word scrumptious does not do this justice. This right here is just purely amazing. And I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get started. So we are going to begin by getting a pot of water to a rolling boil. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt in there. And I am tossing in my corn as well as my potatoes. You want to cover this up and let it boil until your potatoes are fork tender and your corn is fully cooked. Once they are, drain them and set them off to the side. Moving on, I have my pan to about a medium. I drizzle a little bit of oil in there and we dropped in some chopped up andouille sausage. And you want to just let this brown up like so until it's looking nice and beautiful, just as it is on the screen. And once that's taken care of, you want to remove it from the heat as we move on to the next step. So here we have a whole onion sliced up. I'm just tossing that into the pan. You want to go ahead and toss it around till they start to look a little translucent. And once they do, we are gonna add in our minced garlic and toss that in and mix it in as well. And now I'm going in with 1 stick of unsalted butter. I always tell you guys, I prefer going unsalted because it makes it easier to control the sodium in your dish. Now we are tossing in a little bit of chicken broth, and going in from there is 1.5 pounds of peeled, deveined, tail-off shrimp. You can have the tail on, it's fine. Just make sure it's peeled and deveined. Now we have to season this dish up proper. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to make sure that goes down. You want to get that in the pan as well as some hot sauce. And guys, the ingredients will always be listed in the description box as well for you to reference to. So we have everything in there. You want to go ahead and give that a mix. So you want to let everything simmer, let all the flavors communicate with one another. And once your shrimp is about fully cooked, which takes no time at all, maybe about 5 minutes, depending on the size of your shrimp, you want to reintroduce your andouille sausage. And just, like I said, let them talk to one another. And here I'm just sprinkling in a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. And we are pretty much ready to plate up. It is smelling so good in my kitchen right at this moment. Please believe me. So right here is my favorite part. It is time to plate up. I'm just dropping in that corn, my potatoes, which are perfectly cooked. And we're taking that sauce and everything we have on that pan and we're just dropping it right on top like so. Ooh, come on now, stop playing with your boy. This right here is nothing but pressure, okay? This right here speaks for itself. I'm talking flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor, baby. And what I'm doing here is just sprinkling on a little bit more of that freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it. Cajun butter shrimp boil. So easy, so delicious. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching today's video. I'll see you all on the next one. Leave your boy a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video, and don't forget to give me a like. And I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.